Okay, I'm here at my grandma's and they got a new camper for Winds Express, and I'll check the inside. Whoa, the inside looks pretty neat. Oh my god, just tripping. Okay. Okay. This is actually pretty cool.
Grandma, I need my tablet.
Brother, be patient.
That stays up all the time. It sleeps 2 here and 2
Oh
here.
yeah, check this out.
I'll be outside if you need me. Hey, Louie. Hey.
Bring my hat back.
Not much to do. Oh, there's Kiki. Kiki. Yeah, that's actually the dog's name. Kiki. Special appearance of you. Hey, Brody. Eartha Brody. You know what? Cut that. Special appearance of YouTuber Brody.
Kiki!
Special appearance of YouTuber Brody.
Scrubbed it, right?
And
On my feet.
the reason why we're here is because there's kittens here.
Munchkin!
Yeah. The cat, the mother cat just left one behind by accident, maybe. I don't know. We'll see them soon in that barn. Don't even think about it, dog. Oh my god. That is the cutest kitten I have ever seen. Oh my god. That is so small.
You want to see him?
Oh my god, that is so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I don't know if I let you hold him, if the mummy like it.
Where's the mom?
She moved them underneath there. Listen.
Underneath where?
Kind of see him on my camera. Oh my god. Oh my god.
How they connect to this one kind of
Oh, I thought it was way bigger than that big.
Oh my god. That's so cute.
Oh yeah, we got a live interview with his face.
It's so
You could barely even see right now.
cute. Its eyes aren't open
You
yet.
can't see because his eyes aren't open yet.
Yeah, that's exactly what I said.
Where's the other one?
Cute baby kitty.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Can you see them?
Oh my god. I can kind of
Yeah,
see
she's
him.
at the very, very, very back of the